What's up, everybody? It's Josh from Blackout, and I want to share with you a project we just finished up on. So right behind me, we've got a GMC Sierra AT4. It was sent down south to be turned into a Black Widow edition. So what that means is they do some aesthetic stuff. I don't know if they do any performance stuff or not, but they lifted the truck, put special wheels on it. I think they're custom Black Widow package wheels. They're really cool. They've got like step down machine metal in them. Very nice looking wheels. But the reason it was here is we did a couple things. We did paint protection film to protect the truck from chips and scratches, and we also tinted the windows. So on this one, we did this piece, the grille surround, the front bumper, this lower black piece. This part is a lot of fun. A whole bunch of grooves and little pieces to do. We also removed the aftermarket hood scoop and did a full hood, front fenders, and the flares, all 4 flares. So all the way around. Now the thing that's interesting about these are there's no pattern for this. This is an aftermarket flare. So we had to what we call bulk install this. So we basically just get a really big piece of film, stretch it around, get it to lay, and then we have to hand cut everything. So around all these bolt holes, we don't want to run the risk of it lifting in there because it's too much stretch on the material. So we also had to sort of trim around every single one of those. So it's a time-consuming process, but we wanted to make sure it looked good and that it held up and lasted for a very long time for our friend Chris. We also protected the rocker panel. So we removed the big flares to go underneath them for the rocker panel kit. XPEL does have a pattern for this. So everything basically from this body line down also has film. So with these big tires, you're gonna throw up a lot of rocks, a lot of stuff from the road. Now you don't have to worry about that as much with paint protection film now. And this piece is notorious for getting beat up because it's taking all of the abuse from the front tires. This is of course protected with the rest of the flare. We also tinted the windows. So all the way around on this got XPEL PRIME XR, which is a ceramic window film. It's designed to block a lot of heat from coming into the cab, help keep you a lot more comfortable as you're driving it, as well as look good. And I don't know if you can tell on camera, it's still curing right now. We just tinted that today. We also tinted the sunroof for the moonroof. A lot of people don't think about that part, but when you're sitting in traffic in the summer and the sun's beating in on your head, it's really obvious. You should have had window tint on there. So that's it. I just wanted to share this with you. We do a lot of trucks. We do a lot of cool exotic cars and everything too, but believe it or not, I think we do probably more trucks than we do sports cars. So give us a call. Let us get your truck protected, your new car protected, whatever it is. 724-552-9172 or visit us online, www.blackoutempire.com. Thanks for watching.